A potential difference is applied across a pair of parallel plates in the vacuum. A proton between the plates experiences an acceleration of magnitude a. What would be the acceleration of an alpha particle? So it is given two parallel plates with potential difference, let it be v between them, and let distance between the plates be d, and we know that the electric field strength between the plates is equal to the potential difference divided by this distance, and this electric field strength is related to the force acting on the charged particle inside, and it is equal to charge multiplied by the electric field strength, and according to the second Newton's law it's also equals to ma, and hence we get that it becomes qv over d is equal to ma. And in general, acceleration of the charged particle inside the parallel plates, or accelerated by potential difference, becomes charge potential difference divided by mass and distance between two plates. And what is the difference between an alpha particle and a proton? If we say about charges, charge of a proton is what is just one elementary charge, and what is an alpha particle at all? It's a helium nucleus. It consists of two protons and two neutrons, and since there are two protons, charge will be 2 times larger. So we can say that it's 2qp, or you may use elementary charge for the proton and then 2e for the alpha particle. And if we say about masses, and mass of a neutron is approximately the same as mass of a proton, and you can see that there are 2 protons and 2 neutrons in the nucleus of helium. So alpha particle consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and hence it has mass which is approximately 4 times larger. And if we consider proton, for the proton, acceleration is a, q charge of a proton, mass of a proton, v, d are constants. And if we consider alpha particle, acceleration is unknown, let it be x, it doesn't matter, and charge is 2 times larger, mass is 4 times larger for masses of a proton and d. And you can see that it's a, and we get that it's 2a over 4, or a over 2. Or you may just deduce, you can see that it's directly proportional to q, to charge. So if charge is 2 times larger, so answer becomes 2 times larger, and inversely proportional to mass, 4 times larger, so answer becomes 4 times smaller, and hence answer changes by a factor 2 over 4 or a half. Or you may do simultaneous equations, write this general equation for the proton, mass proton, a over proton, which is a, and the same q of alpha, v over d, m, or you may use this, it doesn't matter, divide both sides by m to get just m, it doesn't matter. So mass of alpha and unknown acceleration of the alpha particle, and then just divide both sides. Let's divide the second by the first, and we get q alpha over qp is equal to m alpha a alpha over m p a, and q alpha over qp it's 2, and m alpha 4 times larger, a alpha over a, and you can see that a alpha is a divided by 2. And that's all for this question, so it's B. It's B. And that's all for this question.